Hi guys, welcome back. So on today's tutorial I'll be doing zigzag gele for you guys. So the normal way our gele do come, so I join two gele together. I join one strand of the gele, I join it together. That is what I'm showing you now, guys. So if you just want to look extra different, if you go to your Owambe parties, you can come up with this idea. It will look so unique. So this gele is very easy, guys, very simple. So let me know at the comment section if you want me to tie this gele on my head. Let me know. So just look at what I'm doing, guys. This gele is very easy, very simple, just normal way. So I'll be bringing it in, out, in, out, in, out. That is what I'll just be doing there. So guys, just look at what I'm doing. This gele is very easy, very easy. So I'm bringing the purple on top of the pink now. I'm bringing the purple on top of the pink. So now I'll be bringing the pink on top of the purple. So I think this is the last time the gele will go round. I think this is the last time. So I'm bringing the pink on top of the purple now. So now I'll be bringing the purple on top of the pink for the last time, because it can't go around again. But if you still want your zigzag to still show more than this, you can still make the strand of the gele to be longer than this. I just use only one roll, guys. One roll of the normal way our gele do come before you join it. So I just remove one roll of it. That is what I do, guys. So I just make, you can make yours to be one color, but if you want it to come out very well, you can use two different color of gele to bring it out very well. So that is what I do here. So now I'm just pinning the back. So that is it. So I'll be bringing my normal gele on top now. So I created like 10 pleats there, guys. I created 10 pleats there. So I'll be telling my model to hold it down. I'll be extending it. So I'll be extending the other side now. I want my gele to come out very well. That is why I use another color of gele to create pleats on top. So but if you want yours to be the same thing, you can do, for instance, now you know I'm using another color on top. Now you can use either pink gele or the purple color gele, but I want mine to be different. So that is why I come up with this idea to use another color of gele. So now I'll be rolling the excess end of the gele. So for this top gele that I put now, guys, I divide it 70-30, guys. I divide it 70-30. So one hand has to be longer than the other one. So what I did here, I even made a mistake. I supposed to make it 80-20. That is the ratio of the gele, supposed to be 80-20. So if you want to tie yours, make yours to be 80-20. As you can see that the other side now, the gele did not come down very well. So that is why I'm saying that if you want to do yours, you can make it 80-20, so that it will come down very well, so that it will not be smaller in this other side. Now just look at what I'm saying here, guys. Yeah, this is what I'm saying now. You see that this side now is smaller. So if you want to tie yours, make it 80-20. So by doing it that 80-20, it will rhyme very well, to come down more than this. I wanted to do another style here, but my students said that I should not do any style there, that it's very fine like this. So that's why I just bring back the excess and so I just use pin to pin it down. I'll be using pin to pin it down, so I'm not creating any style there again. So I'll just use pin to pin it down the normal way we pin our gele. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe guys, and follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. Love you guys. Love you, love you guys. Subscribe.